Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jensen Beach local and long distance movers near me. Local movers in Jensen Beach, Florida provide personalized solutions to residents wishing to relocate within the area. They have local knowledge, ensuring smooth travel through the area. They offer speedy packaging services and use high quality materials to ensure the safety of your valuables. They ensure timely transportation to your new house because they know the finest routes. These movers prioritize professionalism and take great care of your belongings. Residents can have a flawless and stress-free moving experience with the help of dependable local movers, allowing them to fully embrace the charm and beauty of Jensen Beach. There are crucial considerations to consider while moving far from Jensen Beach, Florida. Planning and organization are necessary to guarantee a smooth transition when leaving the city. Long-distance relocations, in contrast to local moves, entail moving things over state boundaries or a great distance. To tackle the complexity of this relocation, experienced long-distance movers must be hired. A variety of services, including packing, loading, transporting, and unloading, are provided by these knowledgeable movers. Long-distance moves need a budget considering the distance, fuel expenses, and other required services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jensen Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.